Hello henna lovers, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to teach you reverse negative pattern. As this is our basic tutorial, I am using a simple circle to show you how to draw these reverse negative elements. In my advanced tutorial I would also be showing you some other patterns where we can use reverse negative elements or the design. So here I have drawn a simple circle. If you haven't watched my tutorial on how to draw a perfect circle, I would request you or I would recommend to watch that tutorial first, because that's going to be the basic of this tutorial. So here I have drawn a circle and I'm simply going to put some petals or a cluster of petal into this circle. While drawing these elements, the important part that you need to focus on or you have to keep in mind is that the petals or whichever element that you are going to draw inside or you are going to use in your reverse negative pattern, you have to use it, you have to draw that in a thin line. You are not supposed to make it way too thick, because we are going to fill the rest of the part later on. So the elements that I'm drawing right now, I'm trying to make them as thin as possible. And here I'm done with this thing. Now a technique is that if you as I'm drawing this and showing it to you right away, I cannot wait longer. But when you are making this as a part of your entire design, you are supposed to stop after after this step and then move on to drawing onto your next pattern in the design or next element in the design. Why? Because once you let it set for a while, you are not going to disturb these edges of the elements that you have drawn here while filling up the rest of the part with the henna paste. So that is one thing. Then another thing is that here we are not going to keep a lot of negative space. So wherever you find a space to draw an element, you're going to draw that. So we won't be 80% of the entire design is supposed to be filled with a with some kind of a element, and then only the 20% of negative space or 10% of negative space should be there to which we are going to fill up with the paste. So always begin with the edge of your pattern and then keep filling that up. Now when we are filling this negative space with the henna paste, make sure you're not putting the lumps of henna and you are having the control over it, over the tube or over the pressure that you are putting with your thumb. And this is how you are going to fill it up, and you are not going to disturb the edge of the element that you have drawn over here. As you see, I'm very careful when I am filling up the the paste onto the edges or on the sides of these elements. I'm very careful that I'm not messing up with the edge of that, because we are not going to disturb the shape. That way it's gonna look messy. Okay, so this is how we are going to fill this entire circle. So it is always a good idea to wait for a while after you draw those elements inside, because that way you have to be less cautious while filling up with while you start filling the paste in. And there is another that's completely option. If you want to go for that, you can just sketch these elements instead of drawing them. You can just lightly sketch these elements and then you can immediately go for the filling like this, and then after you redraw those elements. But because that is a little time consuming thing, I would not prefer doing that. But there are artists who like to go with that technique, and in my advanced tutorial I would also going to show you that technique as well. So make sure to watch that video which is coming up next. So there we go.